What's going on YouTube? It's about 5:45 a.m. I'm getting ready to go on a trout fishing trip with a buddy of mine. Haven't seen in years, so.
Yeah. What's good, homie?
What's good, man?
Been a while,
I know.
So we out here sharing Harris Lake. This pond has been stocked with trout, 7 trout, no minimum length, no bait restriction. Right. You got the dough baits.
The dough baits.
Original trout nuggets. I got some live worms. Gonna put a marshmallow. Shrimp and garlic trout bait salmon eggs.
Yeah, we're gonna try to
by Mike's. I think I'm good. I should have brought the net. Oh, let's see. That's a trout. That's a trout. Yeah. Oh my gosh. It's kind of small though. Oh, that's a beautiful trout. Oh no. Hey, these are the best ones too. First trout of the day. Yup, got one. Let's go. Let's go. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, yes. Oh, heck yeah, dude. Definitely don't want him to get off, so I'm gonna take it easy. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yup. Oh yes, they jumping. Yeah, boy. Another rainbow, baby. He got your other line? I don't think so. That's a, oh yeah, he got sangled. Oh. He won't get it. Yeah, he won't go nowhere. Oh, you got him? Yes. Let's go. Easy money. Nice one, bro. Nice one. Oh, you got one. Yeah. Yes. Yo, finally. That's a good one. Whew. Wow. Hey. He said, I'm gonna leave these out for a second. And you hooked them right in the corner. Good job, bro. Good job, bro. Oh, that's amazing. All right, can you hold it up a little bit higher? Perfect. Hey, good stuff, bro.
Good, boy.
That was awesome, man. Yep. But I appreciate you, Rob. Take it easy. The limit right here.
Check that out.
Hey, shout out to my boy Rob for filleting these trout that we caught the other day. Some really good stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna season it up a little bit and cook it up. tell me if this is crazy, but I've been waiting to do this right here. So I want to put some trout and mix it with some of this right here. Tell you what, 2 times spicy, this stuff is no joke. Alright, y'all, here goes nothing. Flavor on the noodles is good, but it's quite spicy. If you guys don't ever eat spicy food, I wouldn't recommend this because it literally starts to seep in. I think it's harder and harder as you eat it, but you know what? It's worth it. Whew, that's good. Super good. Check that out. Amazing. Trout, the meat is like so good. Look at that. I'm gonna kind of mix it all together with the trout so the trout gets a little bit of that hot flavor. Just like that. About to try it now. Just get a nice piece of trout with it. Whew, it's hot. I got a big cup of water right here. But I'm not gonna lie to you, I love eating spicy food. Amazing. Here we go. Yeah, it's getting hotter and hotter. But the trout meat, consistent. Whew. All right, slowly starting to creep in now. See, I'm sweating a little bit and my nose is running, but almost done. Oh, man. I got some construction going on outside. That's it. Whew. Thanks for watching today's video. Maybe I'll wait about 10-15, see how much it kicks in, and I'll check back in with y'all. Man, it's been about 10 minutes. Had to, clear my nose a few times, and definitely had some sweat going, but hey, I appreciate you guys watching today's video and tuning in. Until next time, I'll catch you later. Peace.